Hey folks, thanks for tuning in to Lenderman Shop once again. I'm Joel Lenderman. You ever have that one coffee mug, that one plate, or that one cereal bowl just sitting in a sink waiting to be cleaned out, either in your kitchen or at the office? But the task of getting out the gigantic jug of dish soap seems to be unbearable. Well, let's put that dish soap into a spray bottle. Coming right up. Okay, let's go over the materials that you'll need for this particular project. First off, you're going to need to have your favorite dish soap. Whatever you have in the cabinet will be perfect. Then you will need to have a spray bottle. You can use a big spray bottle or a small one. The spray bottle I will use is from a mild cleaner that we have, and I've thoroughly rinsed it out and it's ready to go. Then go ahead and grab some rubbing alcohol out of the cabinet. This is a little bit optional, but I'll let you know what that's for. And then if you want to do any measuring, go ahead and grab a measuring cup. I'm not going to do any measuring in this video. Okay, let's go ahead and start by adding or filling our bottle about halfway with water. We'll put the water in first and then the soap. That'll cut down on the suds. It's important to note here that Google experts suggest using distilled water rather than water from the faucet. The thought is that adding water out of the faucet will contaminate your spray soap with bacteria and so forth. We have a whole house water softener in our house, so I'm feeling very comfortable with using the water right out of the tap. However, if you have well water or use public water and it's really hard, you might consider using distilled water for this, or using a smaller spray bottle, and that way you'll go through the spray a bit more quickly, limiting the possibility of the growth of the bacteria. Okay, so my water level is right about there. Let's go ahead and add the dish soap. Now you could measure this out, about a tablespoon or so. I'm gonna put in, just visually looking at it, an amount. And bottom line is, if you find out that your soap is not strong enough, add a little bit more. If you find out that it's maybe a little bit too thick for the sprayer, then pour a little bit out, add a little bit more water. So let's just kind of play this one by ear, as they say. It's kind of neat to look at. And we'll add a little bit more. All right, and then take a look at it. You can see where that is down there. That's a fair amount. Let's add a little bit more. Just because the holidays are coming up and then we're gonna have a lot of dishes. All right, now let's go ahead and squirt in some alcohol. A couple spoonfuls of alcohol would be fantastic. Regular alcohol, again, is what we're looking at. So I am just gonna make a mess here and then squirt some of this in. Okay, the alcohol obviously helps with cleaning. It helps with the drying of it. And in my opinion also helps kill some of the bacteria that might start growing in there if you use your tap water. Clean things up there. All right, that's what the mixture looks like so far. Again, if you feel like you need more in there, go ahead and put a little bit more soap in. Maybe a few more squirts of alcohol could be fine. I'm going to go ahead and finish out filling up the water. That's where we are at this point. Let's put the top on. Okay, and there you have it. And instead of giving it a really good shake, I'm just going to kind of turn the bottle a few times. I don't want the to get too sudsy in there. Okay, there you have it. Okay, and look what we have here, that one cereal bowl that's just been sitting there since earlier this morning. So let's go ahead and give it a squirt. Yeah, look at those suds, already sudsed up. I have my brand new sponge here. And let's go give everything a wash. And again, this is your quick washing tip. We'll go ahead and put this in the rack. You can use this soap anywhere, even in the bathroom. Now, if you're interested in how to clean toilets, check out this video here where I thoroughly go over how to clean and sanitize your toilet. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created an easy-to-use cleaning solution that's perfect for the quick cleanups. Folks, I'm really happy you joined me here today. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to give a like below and subscribe if you like. Until our next video, take care.